Hello there! Welcome to Crafting Unedited. My name is Sierra and I am the owner, designer, creator, entrepreneur, whatever you want to call it. Many hats for Craftily and Crafting Unedited. So I wanted to just give you a introduction to my YouTube and to kind of give you an idea of what to expect from me. So we are Crafting Unedited, and what Crafting Unedited is just that. It is a YouTube where I wanted to create a channel where you can come and see real crafting, what it looks like behind the scenes when you F up, when you screw up, when magical things happen and you create something awesome. Just the all around top to bottom crafting, and not only crafting. I am here to, something about me is that I am unedited, and that is why I decided to name the channel Crafting Unedited. And that's because I don't like to filter things out. It doesn't show you genuineness. I like to make sure that if I screw something up in one of my projects, that I show you how to fix it. And because I have done that many of times, I am all about lessons learned. I want to show you how to fix it. I don't want to cut that stuff out. If I mess something up, I'm going to either go with it and show you how to fix it during the same video, or I'm going to say to be continued, and we'll continue it once I figure out how to fix it. You can actually see that in one of my videos. And that's primarily because a lot of the crafting videos that I have seen, everything is well kept. Everything is organized, which is great, but that's not crafting. When you are in the middle of a project, everything is a mess. And that is 100% real. I try to keep my workspace tidy until I'm in the middle of a project. Then it just kind of tornado goes loose. Also, things are going to happen. You're going to screw up. You got to know how to fix it, right? And some of the videos that I've seen, majority of the videos that I've seen, they cut that out. You can tell. I don't want to do that. I want to give you the real, the raw, the legitimate crafting. I even want to show you what crafting life is like outside of the project, what it looks like to be a mom of two or whatever you may have while running a business, while working a full-time 9-to-5 plus overtime hourly salary, whatever you are, position. Life outside of crafting. I want to show you guys that as well. And I really hope that you enjoy what I have to say and to show you. I'm really excited to continue this journey, and I hope that you are excited to join me with it. So some of the things that you can expect from me are projects with my Cricut. I just bought a Cricut maker. I have a Cricut Air Explorer 2 as well. It's right behind me over there. You can see me make earrings. You can see me make jewelry. I'm kind of getting on that wood, being able to cut the wood, which goes along with Cricut. How-tos as far as the whole machine and whatnot, but also things like mom life. How to mom. Also, how to coupon, how I get good deals on things, and just stuff like that. All around 100% genuine, unedited life. That is what I promise you. If there's something that you're looking for, something that you haven't been able to find, come to me, just send me a message, drop a comment, and I'll do my best to help you out. I've got a lot of knowledge, a lot of advice, a lot of experience, and a lot of different things. Kind of a jack of all trades, wearer of many hats. So just let me know, and I'll do my best to help you out, okay? So enjoy and subscribe, please. Enjoy my videos. I'll see you next time.